Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in northwest of Las Vegas, and we're going to be checking out a brand new community by DR Horton here, and it's in a great location. It's close to your shopping centers, all the restaurants. It's pretty close if you're not too familiar with this area. It's just pretty much down the street from Craig Street in North Las Vegas. If you're not too familiar with that area, that's where all your shopping, your eating, is all going to be located. You got just Walmart down the street, and they're building some nice restaurants there. And we are going to be in the community of Coral Falls. This community just recently opened up, guys, just 2 weeks ago. They're only going to be building 35 homes here in this community, so they are expected to sell pretty quick. And also, guys, a lot of you guys have been asking me to film more affordable homes, so here we are. I'm going to be doing that. These homes right here, right behind me, guys, are going to start in the low 400s. And we're in the community of Coral Falls by DR Horton. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you're looking to stay up to date with all the new builds here in the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notification. That way, you're the first to learn on any upcoming new builds. Also, guys, we receive calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make a move, and we love it. So whether you're 7 days, 90 days, just give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom call with us. We'll be glad to help you make that smooth transition. Now let's get started. All right, guys, here we have floor plan 2654. Once I have that video uploaded right there of that property, I'll have the link on your top right-hand screen. This one is the biggest floor plan. There's actually only 2 floor plans here that are available here in this community, since they're only going to be building only just 35 homes here. You can see all the construction going on, guys. I'm not too sure if you can see, but that building right over there, that's a Walmart over there. So you know how I mentioned in the beginning that you're going to be close to all your shopping? That's how close you are, literally, guys. They're also gonna have a park. You can't see it right now. The park will be right over there, somewhere right over there. This community won't be gated, guys. And let's go check out 2654. And this community is located in North Las Vegas, guys. It's just off of, I believe, Craig and Clayton Street. Clayton Street is right over there. Check it out, guys. So this one right here, guys, just like the plan number, is 2,654 square feet. The 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-car garage, 2-story home. And starting price for this one is $442,990. And that price that I mentioned, guys, is out the door price. That includes your lot premiums, and everything you see in this home will be included. It's not like other builders where you have to pay for your upgrades. With DR Horton, pretty much what you see is what you get besides the furniture, guys. So you notice right here, you got their pavers, your 2-car garage. Here's our front look. Let's go inside. Here it is, 2654. Also, you are gonna have, it's gonna come with the smart ring doorbell and also with your combo deadbolt lock as well. So let's go inside. As soon as you walk in, got this nice wide open area right here. And also the hallways is pretty wide as well. They got the staircase here heading upstairs. This would be your door to your 2-car garage. Then you got the living room. Let me just show you this side here first, and then we'll check out the living room. Here's your, so you do have a full bathroom here downstairs. So your tub stand-up shower, toilet, your single vanity. Currently being used as a public restroom for the builder. Then right here you do have a bedroom downstairs, which is a bonus. I know I get many clients that do want a 2-story home, but they also do want a bedroom downstairs. So this floor plan, the 2654, will offer that. And here we have closet. They currently do have a client that the sales agent is talking to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you real quick. I'm not going to talk much just to respect their privacy. But let me just show you guys real quick here the living room. The living room. Yeah. Kitchen. Your pantry. Let's see if these are soft close. And they are. You also got the countertops, backsplash, refrigerator. Let's check this out. That's what oh, is it locked? Here's your backyard, guys. I know in many of my videos that I've shown in the past, the backyard is completed. So when I say you're not going to get this landscape, you're going to get this clean slate, this is a perfect example of what I mean. So just to give you an idea, average lot here, you'll get about 16 to 20 feet from the end of your house to the back wall. And the lot, as far as the wideness, is going to be about 40 feet. Also, guys, I don't know if you've seen the agent and where that client was. That's where your dining room area would be. And once I go back in, I'll show you guys. But just know that that would be your dining room. And I don't want to kind of just point it out because I know some people kind of feel uncomfortable when they're on camera. So I just kind of just point the area, but just know what I'm talking about. You're boxed in. So you're looking at it. All right, so there you guys have it. I don't know if I mentioned in the beginning, but HOA here in this community is going to be $85 a month. Let's go upstairs. As we head upstairs, guys, if you guys are enjoying this property tour, smash that like button, subscribe, hit that bell for notification. That way you don't miss any upcoming new builds. Also, guys, if you're looking to purchase a new build and are wanting outside representation, maybe from a realtor like myself, or maybe you already have your own, it's very important that we come with you on the first visit, because if we don't, the builder's got this rule, well, they won't let us step in later. Now you might wonder, why do I need an outside realtor? Well, good question. We're all about you. We bring unbiased advice and we, think about what's best for you guys. Builders, realtors are great, but at the end of the day, they represent the builder first. So here's your primary. And then you got the bedrooms over here. That one right there, straight ahead, guys. That's a bonus room, and I cannot wait to show you guys that. It's my favorite part of this house. Also, laundry room upstairs. Washer and dryer are included with your home purchase. Also, the refrigerator and your blinds. So big bonus, guys. Linen closet. Pretty much all you would have to bring is just your furniture and your clothes, and you're ready to go. Let me turn on this light. So here you got the hallway bathroom, dual vanity. Can lighting. Then right over here you have your shower, toilet. So we already checked out a bedroom downstairs. So this is going to be the second bedroom now that we see. Here you have your walk-in closet. Turn on the light so it's not so dark. Pretty cool. Good size. What do you guys think? Also, right here, this one right here, guys, believe it or not, is not a bedroom. This is what you call bonus room. So you'll have 5 bedrooms plus this one. So technically you could convert this real easy, in my opinion, into a bedroom. Because you already have the windows. All you'd have to do, that space right there, convert that into a closet, and you'll have that 6th bedroom legally. That easy. Now, here's the 3rd bedroom. Decent size. Also upstairs, you're gonna have 8-foot ceilings. Here's the 4th bedroom. Now let's check out the primary bedroom. Check this out, guys. Really good size. Let me stand on this side. Yeah, this is a really good size primary bedroom. You have the only thing that I do notice, you only have 1 window. Wish you had more windows, but only 1 window. Dual vanity. You have your ceramic tile flooring, your stand-up shower. Here to the right, you have your toilet. Then right here, you have your linen closet. We give you guys a view from here. So there's your stand-up. You do have a bench. You got the can lighting. You got the drop-in sinks, white cabinets, and steel handles. Ceramic tile flooring. So with these homes right here, guys, you're gonna get tile on the bottom floor, but you're gonna have carpet in the bedrooms. And upstairs, the only part you're gonna have tile is just gonna be in your wet areas, like your laundry rooms and your bathrooms, like here. Then here, you have your primary closet. The size of this thing. This is pretty cool. Let me show you guys. So this right here, I'm 6'2", and I could walk under it and not hit my head. Let me show you. Look at this. Pretty cool. So I'm 6'2", so they're pretty high. So it gives you that extra space. Pretty neat. You definitely have to reach pretty high if you're short to put stuff up there and probably get it back down. But I do like how they made the best of the space they have. I mean, you could have technically brought that around as well, in my opinion. All right, guys, well, there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed this property tour, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and tap that bell for notification. That way you are the first to learn on any upcoming new builds. Till next time.